Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Okay, this is our product title for the improvement of spatial data clustering algorithm in city location. Okay, so this is our abstract for the spatial data locations on data mining. So first of all, the spatial data mining is a new research directions in the fields of data mining. In recent years, with the continuous developments of data mining technology, the spatial data attracts more and more attention of scholars and experts. Spatial clustering analysis is an important part of spatial data mining. So nowadays the spatial clustering analysis has become more and more nature, widely used in the various fields. Spatial clustering analysis can deeply discover the knowledge of which is hidden in the geospatial informations to be GPS or geospatial geolocation based find out the locations. So how to improve the locations to be representative? Find out the representatives of nodes one or more number of spatial data collections, discovery and the law of spatial distributions informations, and finally the classic clustering algorithm basic on partition widely used in the fields of cities planning and provide valuable reference. Okay, this is the flow diagram for the improving performance of geospatial information for data mining and the domain of data mining. So first of all, what is data mining? The data mining is nothing but data mining is the non-trivial extractions of implicit, previously unknown and potentially useful informations from the data. So this is the data mining. And here first of all we create the data set. Here we will create a different set of attribute based create a data set. After the data set will be loaded into the database. So next the data set will be loaded after going to the pre-processing stage. The pre-process is nothing but suppose the data set is to be loaded. It has any values to be null or any columns or rows any value is to be null to be filtering the particular data or remove the null values. It is called pre-processing stage. So after the pre-process completed, the data is going to be clustering the data. In clustering the process, we will finally to be find out the spatial data to be analyzed. So how to get the spatial data? So first of all, we will clustering the data is based on some attributes or some data. So some data is based we will clustering our attributes. So here we will get the spatial index for the spatial data. So every spatial data we will create the spatial index. Spatial index based we will now we will classify the frequent item. I'm always said the data mining means we will not use fully data. All data we are not used, but in we are extracting some data from the data sets. So now we will classify the some particular frequent item sets extracting from the database or data set. Okay, so now we will city location based to be find out some particular items. So the item based we will find out the city locations for items. For example, we are choosing the cotton sarees. The cotton sarees, the user source is the Kanchipuram. The user source is the Tirupur. The destination is Coimbatore. So the user's current location city is Coimbatore. This is our item. So the we will search the item base. We will filtering our data. So which is the our spatial informations to be retrieved from the database. So this is the clustering locations. So find the location based will classify the items. Finally we will finally the users classify the items to be retrieved from the database. Okay, now the demo section is start for the improvement of spatial data clustering algorithm in city location. Okay, so this is our home page for the improvement of spatial data clustering algorithm in city location. Okay, so next for the file chooser using choosing the data sets. Okay, okay, so sorry, T6. Okay, so this is our data set for the different set of attributes based. This is the data set. Okay, so next the data set will be loaded for the spatial city locations. So the data set will be loaded into the database for the city multiple city the index based So go for this is another or reload for the datasets. Okay, so this is the another data set for the multiple cities and based to be find out the locations or the spatial data clustering informations. Okay, so the all data sets are insert into the database table. So here the multiple city based this is our city. So this is the finding data. The name is Jasmine. So this is our source and destinations. So this is the some spatial data informations to be retrieved. Okay, so next is the removing null value process. Okay, so here no null value, the data set to be loaded. Okay, so next is the spatial data clustering is the pieces of cargo exported. So click to the spatial data, so the results are classified. So selecting some city based the cargo shirts to be exporting for the some city based locations. Okay, I'm choosing the Phoenix city. So this is the Phoenix city based the cargo shirts to be exported. So this is our whole data and the index values. This is our total percentage. This is the average of change cost to be retrieved. So this is the selections. So I'm choosing the source. So the destination is not selection. So click to the destinations. So the results are classified. Okay, so this is the city informations. Okay, so I am choosing the source as Melapudur, the destination as Srirangam. So and this is our data. Okay, so I click to the destination. So the results are classified. So this is some clustering informations. So the city as Trichirappalli. This is our source. This is our item name as coffee. So this is the location. So the distance from the source and destinations be analyzed. So this is our landmark. So view mode. Okay, so this is the whole data or whole informations to be retrieved from the database. Map. Okay, in this informations the view the map is possible. Okay, so this is our map data for the source to destinations. Okay, this is 15 kilometers. Okay, so go back. So this is our informations. Go for next. Okay, sorry. So this is another informations. To so click the destinations results are classified. Okay, so this is our destination. I'm choosing the source. I'm choosing the destinations. Click the destinations. So this is our destinations. This is the city name is E-Road. So this is our source. So the destination name is Temple. So our location is Satyamangalam. So this is our distance calculating for the source and the destinations. So this is our landmark as Anamle. So this is our map. So the map is possible. Okay, so this is our whole informations. So the this is our informations. So now we will see the data as 6 serial number 6 as this is our informations E road. So our destination location is Satyamangalam. This is our kilometers. So this particular informations to be clustering based on our data. Okay, so now I'm choosing the map. So the map is possible. So our city name is Erode. So the Erode district map is to be specified for the kilometers as Erode to Satyamangalam as 64.5 kilometers to be retrieved. So this some particular informations to be viewed for the GPS locations. This is called geospatial or geolocation based informations to be retrieved. Okay, so go for next. So this is some finding locations based on clustering data. So this is always some city based classifying data. So I'm choosing the Portland city. The city name is Portland. So clustering the data. So this is some shirt or cargo shirt is based clustering data. Okay, so this is the whole data informations. Say go for spatial locations. Okay, so this is some finding locations based. So I'm choosing the So and I'm choosing the Murugan temple. So this is our finding data. Okay, so I click to the spatial. So this is our spatial informations to be retrieved. So this is our number. So this is the district as Kanchipuram. So the user's location district is Kanchipuram. So our find data is Murugan temple. So this is our source. Source is the Kamachi temple. So our destination is Tirthani. So Tirthani Murugan temple. The Tirthani Murugan temple is the location as city name is Tiruvallur. So the distance from Kanjipuram to Tiruvallur as 37 kilometers. So the travel time is 90 minutes. So these are some particular informations or some metadata informations to be easily analyzing for the GPS or geospatial informations. Okay, so this is our whole data. Okay. So now we will see the serial number 4. The 4 is the our data. So our district is Kanjipuram. So this is our finding data as Murugan temple. Okay, the location city is Tiruvallur. So the Kanjipuram to Tiruvallur distance is 37 kilometers. So these are some particular informations and I'm retrieving through our spatial data. So these are the finding data is the spatial data. Okay, so go for next. So the next is the some item name based. We will classify the or list out the data. Okay, so this is our item name as 46. So the 46 record with the some users cargo exports details. So this is our user ID, this is our department, so this is our order ID, and this is our total is 19.9. So the NB t-shirt is 1, the t-shirt price is 19.9. So our category is black t-shirt. Okay, so this is our classification card. So this is our clustering data for the some source and destination city based classification. So fine, we will classify the linear regression data to be performed. So this is our OPS order ID and the order type, customer ID, order date, and the delivery date to be processing. So this is the data for the finding data items. So this is our finding data. So first of all, the first item is the cotton sarees. So the location city is Coimbatore. The travel time is 1 hour. The user city is Tirupur. The Tirupur to Coimbatore is 1 hour distance. So another the distance is Bannari temple. So this is the location city is Erode. The user is on the Erode as a place in Gopi. So the location is Satyamangalam. So the Erode Gopi to Satyamangalam is 40 minutes travel time. Okay, so these are some informations to be retrieved. Okay, so go for next. So next is the spatial data informations to be retrieved, to be classified the some particular informations to be retrieved. So finally the classical data. Okay, so these are some informations or different set of attributes based. You will easily classify the data. Okay, the demo is finished. Thanks for listening.